All right, ooh, this is tough. What force causes an 892 gram object to accelerate at 9.81 meters per second squared? Well, you've got to be careful, right? So we're going to use F equals ma, right? Really, there's like a triangle we can use, right? F, M, and A, right? Oops, wrong A. There we go. There's a triangle we can use, but we've got to be careful because this is grams, right? Remember, we want to use kilograms. So I'm going to divide 892 by 1,000. And that's, of course, 0.892 kilograms. So now we can fill this in, right? Force is equal to 0.892 times 9.81. Let's see. Oh, interesting. Oh, there's a negative there. Let me put the negative in there. Basically, the negative is just going to make it be in the negative direction. That's not a problem. Okay, so 0.892 times 9.81. This one turned out to be multiplication. And I get that the force is equal to negative 8.75 newtons. All right.